Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to check if your phone is hacked. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So in order for you to know or check if your phone is hacked, you have to go to your settings and then go to your Google account or Google. Tap on Google account and it will take you directly to this where you can see this option. What you're going to do is go to security, scroll down and you will see here your recent security activity. And as you can see, one activity here is somehow suspicious to me because I didn't use this application or I did not log into this site, this one right here. Now, for me to remove my account, I need to tap this one because it's obvious that my phone was hacked through my Google account. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete this because I don't recognize this device. Tap on No Secure Account and Google account will tell you to change your password for security purposes. And all you have to do is to change your password. So you need to create new password here, and once you're done, then you need to remove that specific device because this device cannot longer log in or have access to your Google account since you have changed your password. So basically, that's it. You can know if your phone is hacked through your Google account, the account that you're using on your mobile device. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.